Incidentally, Karan says coffee with Karan thi unki hobby. One that got him 30 lakhs richer with each episode. Total 53 episodes के हिसाब से इस hobby ने add किया almost 16 crores to Karan's account. So how does the big K spend his moolah, huh? Kejo drives around in his BMW 745T worth 40 lakhs or the 60 lakhs worth BMW 760 Li. लेकिन उनकी favorite है his elegant white customized Merc S-Class worth 1.25 crores. It's all about class for the K-Man. इनकी style की बात करें तो it's only the best of the best.
He really understands what looks good and where, and I think that's the clever part of it. You need to know what to wear when and how to carry it off, and he's definitely very, very dapper.
Tom Ford suits worth over 1.5 lakhs each. Armani jackets costing around 90,000. Exclusive Prada sunglasses worth another 85,000 each. But Kejo's real fetish is shoes. Prada once again being a hot favorite. और जब Karan travel करते हैं first class first, of course. All his valuables are neatly packed in his Louis Vuitton luggage sets, costing over 2.5 lakhs. Now that's how real men really indulge. Being a part of a Bollywood Khandan has perks that take you way high, but you gotta do your bit to stay up there. Coming up are a few Khandani Bollywood secrets MTV style. 1. Besides the Khandani wealth, bring in your own and don't be stingy. Kejo और आदित्य चोपड़ा ने prove किया कि you gotta spend big bucks to make bigger ones. 2. If you think you ain't getting enough, turn to the smaller screen. Example, Karan Johar or the gorgeous Lolo, who also got 30 lakhs per episode for showing up on a certain dance reality show. 3. Network big. Whether it's the Bachchans or the Badshah Khans, make sure no one turns you down. कहते हैं genius flows through the genes. Well, अगर आप हो part of a filmy khandan, then that genius transforms into some real nice hard cash. To recap, Kejo and his Dharma Productions are worth over 1,500 crores, while the Kapoors live it up with their 2,000 crores, but beating them hands down are the boys at Yash Raj, who stand tall with their 3,500 crores. किसी ने सही कहा था, ना बाप बड़ा ना मैया, डार्लिंग सबसे बड़ा रुपया.